Oh, girl. See, this is where the bobby pin come in handy. Yep. And we're gonna tuck that thing under there. It ain't trying to go. There we go. Yes. There we go. I'm gonna put this in my pocket for later. So, what I use is my little water bottle, these perm rods. I'm using curly and Smoothie. So I'm not going to really saturate my hair when I spray it with water because it was late and I had to get up early. So I didn't have that much time to let my hair dry overnight. So you don't really want to saturate your hair with water if you're not going to have a lot of time for it to dry. And that's Eco Styler Gel, by the way. So this step is very important. Right before you apply the wash, you want to make sure that you're stretching your roots. Please stretch your roots out because you don't want to have puffy roots when you take the rods out and try to blend it with your wig. Shirt before. I don't wear any shirt this morning, but okay. Let me show you how I do my hair the next day. I need some brows and mascara. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how I do this. I hope my hair dry because I don't know. We're gonna pray. All right, so we're gonna take. I need some oil. Anyway, we're gonna take these out. Look at that. Let me just do this because. They got time this morning. It is too early for me. Okay. Boom. These curls on the side, I'm gonna literally take a piece of hair and twist it with my hair. Like this. And this way probably good for a couple days, but if you had like human hair or made a halfwig out of like virgin hair, then it'll last longer. But that's probably what I do next, make a halfwig out of virgin hair. I just gotta find some bomb curly hair. And see how I blend like that? Bam. Okay, so now we gotta blend it. But these edges, I need my little brush. I'm gonna just like, it's too hot. So if y'all leave y'all baby hair and edges in the house, that's cool too. Just doing this for the video. Cause after maybe today or tomorrow, this way ain't gonna be no more good. But let me do this one. Okay, and then you can take smaller pieces to blend it out a little better, but I'm rushing. And I didn't wanna not record the second part. Why my camera look like this? I don't understand. My edges still a little wet, that's why they look like that. But if they were dry, and if I had stretched it better last night, then it'd look better than this, but it's cool. All right, y'all, see y'all in the next video.